Let's go to page 509 and start with number 1. You got 24, 32, 40, 48, dot, dot, dot. Okay, you're looking for the formula for T of n. Okay, so you can, for arithmetic, so you got T of n equal to T1 plus n minus 1 times D. Right? So that's your formula for arithmetic. So T of n, that's what you're looking for. So T of n equal to T1 is 24, okay, plus, again, so this is your n1, so you have to use n1, right? So n minus 1. Now you have to figure out the D. So from here, the D equal to 8, right? Positive 8. You can see that D equal to plus 8. Okay, so put 8 in here. Right, again, D equal to plus 8. They're all the same. Okay, so you multiply out. So T of n equal to 24 plus 8n minus 8. So T of n equal to 8n plus 16. Okay, so that's the formula for this sequence. Okay. Okay, number 3. You have negative 3, negative 10, negative 17, negative 24, dot, 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 dot. Okay? Okay, so again, let's figure out the D first. So from here, the D equal to negative 7. You have to use this minus that to figure out your D. Okay? So again, over here, D equal to negative 7, D equal to negative 7. Okay? It's negative because it's getting smaller, right? Okay, so you can get your formula. So T of n equal to T1 plus n minus 1 times D. Right? So again, you start with this formula. Okay? Again, whatever you have n1, you have to have n1 in here, right? This has to match. This has to match this. Okay, then you go and substitute whatever you know. So T of n equal to T1 is your first term, so it would be minus 3 plus n minus 1 times D. D equal to negative 7. Okay? So again, you have to kind of figure out things a little bit. Okay, so work it out. So T of n equal to negative 3. Okay, so when you distribute, it would be minus 7n. Distribute would be plus 7. So T of n will equal to negative 7n plus 4. Okay. Now, if you have 4 minus 7n, that's fine. Okay, I like to put a variable first. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have 7, 11, 15, 19, dot, 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 dot. Okay, so again, over here, D equal to plus 4. You have to plus 4 to get to the next one, right? Okay, so let's use a formula. So T of n equal to T1 plus n minus 1 times D. Right? Again, n1, so you have to, when you have n and 1, you have to, this has to match this, right? Okay, so T of n, so T of n is any terms, okay? So it can be T10, whatever term you're looking for. So T1 is 7, and n, again, it depends on which term you're looking for. D is 4, right? So T of n equal to 7 plus 4n minus 4, right? You just distribute. So T of n equal to 4n plus 3. Okay, now let's go to number 7. You got 4, 9, 14, 19, dot, 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 and you're looking for T of 21. Okay? Okay, so you can first let's figure out the D. Once they give you a sequence, it's kind of fairly easy. So this is, you have to plus 5, right? Plus 5, plus 5, right? Okay, so you're looking for T21. So you start with T21 equal to T1 plus, now when you use 21 and 1, you have to use 21 and 1, right? And times D. D is 5, okay? Okay, now let's go and substitute this in here. So T of 21 equal to 4, right? T1 is your first term, so 4 plus 20 times 5. So T of 21 equal to 4 plus 100, so T of 21 equal to 104. Okay. So this will save you a lot of trouble of, write this down all the terms, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 9. Okay, yeah, 100, 98, 96, T25. Okay, again, first figure your D. So from here to here, you have to minus 2, right? So your D is equal to negative 2. Okay, so again, you're looking for T25. So start with T25 equal to T1 plus, now again, you use 25 and 1, so you have to have 25 minus 1, right? 25, 1, so you have to use 25, 1, and the D is negative 2. Again, this tells you how many gaps are in between, and each gap is negative 2, right? So you just work it out. Okay, then after that, you can substitute your T1. T1 is 100, right? Again, this is your T1, T2, T3. Again, T1 means first term, second term, third term. Okay, so T25 equal to 100 plus 24 times negative 2. So T of 25 equal to 100 minus 48. So T of 25 equal to 52. Okay, let's go to the next one, number 11. Yeah, negative 2, negative 11, negative 20, and you're looking for T of 101. Okay, so again, from here to here, you have to minus 9, so T equal to negative 9. So again, you have to minus 9, okay? Okay, so again, let's go and look for T of 101 equal to T1 plus, okay, you use 101 and 1, so you have to use 101 and 1, okay? And times by D, this is D, not T. So this is D, sorry about that. So D equal to negative 9, okay? So you got T of 101 equal to T1 is negative 2 plus 100 times negative 9. Okay, so from here to here, there are 100 gaps, and each gap is negative 9. Okay, so T of 101 equal to negative 2 minus 900. So T of 101 equal to negative 902. Okay. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, you got T1 equal to 5, T3 equal to 20, and you're looking for T12. Okay? Okay, so this one is actually, it's not too bad because you got 5, that's your T1, and you have missing number, that's your T2, and you got T3. T3 equal to 20. So you can use a formula to find the T2, or you can just find the arithmetic mean, right? Okay. Okay. So if you average, so to find this, if you average the two, so you got 5 plus 20 over 2 equal to 25 over 2 equal to 12.5. So this would be 12.5. Okay, so that means your D equal to 7.5. 7.5, right? They're the same, right? Okay, so that's your D. So it's kind of messy. Okay, so so again, if your middle number is quicker if you use arithmetic mean, or if you do it a long way, you're going to get T of n. In this case, T of 3. So T of 3 equal to T1 plus 3 minus 1 times D, right? Again, 3, 1, 3, 1, right? So T of 3 is 20. T of 1 is 5. Okay, so minus 5, minus 5. So you're going to get 15 equal to 2D. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So you got D equal to 7.5, right? So 7.5, again, that's your D. So 5 plus 7.5 give you 12.5, right? 12.5 plus 7.5 get 20. So you can do either way to get that. But again, if it's a middle number, it's faster if you just do this rather than that. Okay. Now once you find your D, then you can use your formula, right? Okay. So T of 12 equal to T1 plus, again, use 12 and 1, so that would be 12 minus 1, right? 12, 1, 12, 1, times D. D would be 7.5. Okay, so you got T of 12 equal to T1 is 5, okay? And this would be 11 times 7.5. So T of 12 will equal to, now the numbers get kind of messy, so you can use calculator, okay? So you got 11 times 7.5 equal, so that's this part of it, and you have to plus 5. Okay, it give you 87.5. Okay. Okay, let's go to next one. Uh, 15. Okay, so you got T5 equal to 24, T9 equal to 40, and you're looking for T1. Okay, now since these two are giving, so I'm going to just use these two to figure out the D. Again, to find every point you got to know the D. Okay, so if you don't have the D, you have to use whatever is giving to look for the D. Okay, so I'm going to use T9 equal to T5 plus, now I use 9 and 5, so I use 9 minus 5 times D. Okay, then next I have to substitute all the numbers in here. So T9 is 40, T5 is 24, and this would be 4D. So minus 24 on each side. So I get 16 equal to 4D. So divide by 4, divide by 4. So I got D equal to 4. Okay. Now once I found D equal to 4, now I can come back over here. So I can use any of the two. So I can T1, I'm going to use T5 equals to T5 plus, now notice I use 1, 5, right? So I have to use 1 minus 5 times D equal to 4. Okay, again, whatever you have over here, you have to match it. So if you use 1, 5, you have to have 1, 5. Okay, so you have to watch the order. They have to match exactly. Okay, so you substitute. So T5 is 24, and this would be negative 4 times 4. So T1 equals to 24 minus 16. So T1 will equal to 8. Okay. Okay, let's go to 17. So you got T7 equal to negative 19, T10 equal to negative 28, and you're looking for T21. Again, in order to find out the term, you got to have the D. So you have to use whatever is giving to find the D. Okay. Again, it doesn't matter which one you use. Okay. So let's say if you use 7 and 10, so you got T7 equal to T10. Okay. Now use 7 and 10, so you have to have 7 minus 10 times D. Okay. So make sure again this has to match exactly. Then you substitute in the numbers. So you got negative 19 equal to negative 28 plus negative 3 times D. Okay. Okay, so that's going plus 28 on both sides. So I get 9 equal to negative 3D. So divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. So D equal to negative 3. So that's an important information. So once you find your D, you can come up here to use a formula to find T21. Okay, so you're going to get T21 equal, again, you can choose either one. Doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, so if you use 7, then you have to use 21 and 7 times D equal to negative 3. Okay, so again, 21, 7, so you have to have 21, 7. So whatever you use, you got to put it, you have to match exactly the same. Okay, so T21 equal to negative 19, all right, that's T7 equal to negative 19, plus 14 times negative 3. So T21 equal to negative 19 minus 42. So T21 equal to negative 61. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 19. You're looking for the arithmetic mean, so that's very easy, okay, because that means only one number in between. Okay. So to find a number in between, you just average the two, right? So negative 3 plus 7 over 2. Okay, and so the mean equal to that. Okay, so mean equal to 4 over 2. So the mean equal to 2. Okay, so the middle number is 2, and that's it. Okay, okay, number 21. Okay, you have 4 over 5, and you're looking for the arithmetic mean, means one number, you got 11 over 5. Okay, okay. Now notice there's a fraction. Notice already 5 and 5. Okay, So you can actually just do something over 5 like that and just focus on the top. Okay, so the mean will equal to 4 plus 11 over 2, right? 4 plus 11 over 2. So the mean will equal to 15 over 2. Now, so this one doesn't work because you got fraction over fraction, okay? So let's not do this because it's already fraction. So it come out kind of messy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. So let's just do the regular way. So the mean will equal to 4 over 5 plus 11 over 5 over 2, right? That's how you do the average, right? So mean equal to 11 over 5 over 2, okay? 15, okay? And it comes out nice. So 15 over 5 is 3, so it becomes 3 over 2, okay? So the mean is 3 over 2.